Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be using products that are affordable. You can find them at the drugstore, very good quality. Some of these I really love and have pre-purchased them multiple times. So if you want to see everything that I use on my face and how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want to do something different with my base because I saw a while back on TikTok a girl, she was adding her NYX marshmallow primer, which I love this one, by the way, drugstore, very affordable, and she mixed it with her foundation to make it lighter and have like a little tint of it. And I want to try that because I kept forgetting to do that, and I've been meaning to do that to see how it works on me. And I do have that primer, so I'll be using for foundation the Catrice HD liquid coverage, which is very affordable. I found this at Marshall's for $4.99, which is great, and it's a great foundation. But I want to mix it with that primer to see if I can sheer it out more. I don't know how many pumps I have to do with this, but let's see. I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand, I guess. 2 pumps of this, which is usually what I use, and then like maybe 1 squirt or 2 of the foundation and mix it up. I should have done this on the other side of my hand because I want to be able to really mix it. See, that one's not really mixed. Let's start with this amount. And I'm gonna blend it in with a sponge because that's what I prefer, which I have right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to push myself to film today an in-store video, in-store walkthrough video, because I haven't done that in a while, and I know a lot of you like those videos, and I haven't been like in the mood of doing them. I don't know. I was planning on doing that today, but I woke up so groggy and tired, exhausted, and I wasn't feeling good at all. And it's one of those days, you know, just one of those days where you feel like crap. Even though you slept well and you rested, you feel like crap when you wake up. I hate those days because all the things that I wanted to do, I have no energy to do them anymore. And it sucks. I know a lot of you can relate. And I'm going to try to do it anyway, even though it looks kind of cloudy today. So I don't know if it's going to be raining later on. Hopefully not, because I hate driving when it's rainy, but we'll see. Hopefully that works out great throughout the day because it's on the dewy side. It looks very shiny, but like a healthy glow. It's not too overkill. Now for concealer, my favorite, the only one that I have, because the other one that I had was by ColourPop, and honestly I don't know where it is. I think I lost it because I haven't seen that in a very long time. But between that one and this one, I still prefer this one because the other one is a little bit cakey, a little bit. I can't use a lot of the other one, of the ColourPop one, because it will look kind of wrinkly and dry under my eyes, and I don't like that. So I'll just stick with this one. I'm not into really trying a whole bunch of concealers, so once I like a concealer, I just usually stick with that one. And that is what happened with this one. I added a little more concealer on this side because that's my problem bag situation crap thing. If you know, you know. If you've seen my videos, you know. So there's a lot of good affordable drugstore powders, but at the moment I've been really enjoying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. And don't get the pink one. You know, the pink one is very popular now because you put it underneath your eyes to brighten. That one doesn't brighten, that one actually darkens. I tried it, I bought it, I used it once. It made this completely dark, even though I used very little of it, and I didn't like it. I didn't like the way it sit on the skin, and it made me look drier than I am. But this one is the translucent one, and this one's great. So I'm gonna stick with this one. And this is very affordable as well. Let me first blend this out a little bit here, like that, and then set everything with this powder. This powder is great. And it's been out for so long, but it's one of the good ones. So yeah, you could do a nice, cute fall makeup on a budget. You just gotta know what products to use and what works best for your skin type. And I gotta say, the ones that I'm gonna use today I really do enjoy, and I've repurchased all of them, I think, multiple times. So I love them. Hopefully you like them as well. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I have this one by ColourPop. It's the Wild Child. And look how gorgeous these tones are. They're brown and kind of like an orangey brown, a lighter like orange shade over here, and the coppers and rusty golds and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna use this one. This is another brand that's very affordable. These palettes are very affordable, and I've had this for a couple of years actually. And this is my second palette that I purchased from this same one because I just love it so much. I love the tones. I'm going to start with this shade up here. It's more on the orangey side, and this brings a mirror, which is great. Look how gorgeous that burnt orange. Oh, love it, especially for this time. It's super, super beautiful. I'm just gonna place that in the crease a little bit above, fade it out slowly. I love this color. This is one of the ones that I hit pan on, I think, and this one over here is such a beautiful color. I'm just gonna do that, repeat that on the other eye, and I'll be back. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one now. In the bottom corner, it's a bit deeper. I just place this over here in the outer corner. What are your fall plans? Let me know if you have any. Are you gonna travel? Are you gonna have a staycation? What exactly do you like to do for fun in this season? For shimmer, I'm gonna go in with this one. It's called Fierce. It's up here. Look how gorgeous this is. But first, of course, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter primer by NYX. Also drugstore. And it's like the best drugstore primer. Put it in on my fingers like that and just place it where I want to place the shimmers. Oh, look how gorgeous. It's like a copper, but it also has like little specks of orange. And once I have that placed, I always like to go back in and really press it with my finger to make it pop even more. Angle brush and taking the deepest shade and really like tight line right here, mainly in the outer corner. I love this brown. It's like a dark chocolate brown. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in back with that orange shade. Put this underneath here to make it all cohesive with the top. I did get a little fallout with that shimmer shade. I tried to wipe it off with the powder, but I still have a little bit of specks here. So maybe do your eyes first. To be fair, I wasn't really light-handed, so that was probably my fault. But yeah, keep that in mind. ColourPop, which is affordable, is these gel liners that they have. This is the lightest one. Or not the lightest one, but it's on the nude side. It's called Honey Dude, I think. And it's like a nude color. Because this time I'm gonna add like a lighter one in the waterline because I usually go for black. But I want to switch it up. And I do like this color. It's very creamy and very pigmented. And I haven't used it in a while, so thought I'd use it now. For mascara, L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal. I'm still using it up because I'm almost done with it. Almost. I'm gonna add this real quick and then some Ardell lashes, but you could also go even more affordable with Kiss lashes, which I think I'm gonna use those, the corner ones. That's what I'm gonna use. I brought the Ardell ones, but I think I'm gonna use the other one. You can find them at Walmart or Walgreens. So lashes are on. What I did was add 2 pieces in the outer corner on each eye. These are the ones that I use. They have short and medium because this is the more natural, minimal look. They also have another one that is like this but a little bit longer. These are more natural. And it also brings its own glue in the package, which is great. It works great. And that's basically it for the eyes. I'm gonna start working on my face now. I'm gonna use the NYX 3-Step to Sculpt, this shade here, just to use it like a bronzer. We'll use a fluffy brush and add that. Where's my mirror? Add that right over here. This is like it's more on the cool tone side, but it doesn't overdo it with the coolness. It has a little hint of warmth in there, but not too warm like a bronzer. So I like adding that there and a little bit over here. I got this highlighter. It's like a cream highlighter. It's a stick illuminator from L'Oreal. It's the Lumi Glass in shade, this is glassy pink. It's like that, and it's very nice. It's very blinding, so you gotta go in with a little bit, and I like to use my fingers with it just to spread a little bit out, not a lot, because I don't like a lot of highlighter. Just a little bit right here. And then for blush, of course, my all-time favorite by ColourPop. This one's called Flirt Alert. It's like this, and I can't stop using it. Can't stop using it. That's how much I love it. So I add this here on my cheeks to give a little more color. And yeah, you're almost basically done. All you have to do is your lips. And I'm going to show you the one that I'm going to use, which is also a drugstore product. Ever since I've tried the NYX, it's called Lip IV, the Hydrating Gloss Serum, and their tints. So they're amazing quality. It lasts so long. I got this one, which is in shade Hydra Honey, one of my favorites. Very hydrating. It's great if you have dry lips because they're gonna feel very nourishing. They last a long time. Once it wears off, you're left with like a tint in your lips, and it lasts a very long time. I bought like 4 or 5, I can't remember. I have like 4 or 5, and I did swatches on all of them, and I did a wear test. That video is already up. I did that actually months ago, and that video did really well. So thanks for watching that. But yeah, this one is one of my favorite, and it smells so good. And that's it. That's all I do, using all affordable makeup and creating a cute fall makeup. I hope this was helpful, and if you have tried some of these products, let me know what you think of them. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.